When doing research at the NECB eLibrary, there are a few options available to you. In this tutorial, we will cover how to search all the eLibrary databases with the One Search tool found on the eLibrary homepage. At the eLibrary homepage, under the Search All Databases, you'll find a search box. Here you can enter your keywords and search several databases at one time. Let's try a search and review the options you have with this tool. In this example, we'll search Ernest Hemingway in Key West. I recommend, if you're using more than one word, to combine Key West in quotes so it searches for Key West, not Key and West. I also recommend checking the box to limit to available full text. Not everything in the eLibrary is full text, so clicking on this box will only bring back articles and materials in full text. Now that we've entered our search terms and limited to full text, we'll click on Search. Search launches in a new tab and brings back the top results based on your keywords. You have the option to add additional results or just ignore and focus on the top results. Once the search is complete, you'll see the results in the center of the screen. You can click on any of these titles and the article, book, chapter, etc. will open in a new tab. You also have the option to filter and refine your search. On the left side of the screen, you can refine by topic, database, dates, format, and other types. This is how you would perform a basic search. You also have the option of performing an advanced search. You'll find this in the upper right of your screen by clicking on Search Advanced Search. Let's say you don't want to search all the databases. Click the box for all sources, which will deselect all the databases. You can then click the boxes for the databases you want to search: Biography and Context, Literature Resource Center, and Progress Research Library. You can also choose to enter your keywords into the title or author search boxes. Perhaps you want Key West in the title. Another option is to choose a date range. Using the advanced search gives you a bit more power to narrow down the results to what you're researching.